Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a great week, are enjoying this bounce that we have seen in the market over the last few days. We are hoping, of course, that it continues. But as always, if you can do me a favor and please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the SPY ETF, some different levels to look at, some levels of resistance and things that are coming up. And I'm also going to give you two stocks that follow my insider swing play. Now, following insider activity is powerful. I am just a retail trader who has figured out a way to make money by following the vital few and ignoring the trivial many. And there are lots of great opportunities out there, even when the market is going down like it is. So far this year, I am up 7.31%. So that is much better than most people are negative this year. It's not because I'm that great. It's not because I, am supernatural or anything of that nature. It's that I have a strategy and that I'm diligent to follow it each and every day, no matter what. If a stock fits my strategy, I buy it. If it doesn't fit my strategy, I do not buy it. And so if you don't trade this way, if you don't trade on a certain set of rules, most likely you are losing money in this market. This is a very, very tough market, one of the toughest to make money in. And if you can make money in this type of market when the market is just breaking even, you will have triple digit gains. And that is the name of this channel. But before I get going, let's start to take a look at the SPY ETF. Okay, so here we go. We have been bouncing nicely. It has been a really nice little move over the last few days. We are seeing this nice move upwards from these atrocious lows down at 348 on the SPY ETF. And so you can see we've come out of this oversold position here. We've had a couple really big green candle days. As you can see down here, we are above the June lows, although now there's new lows. So that's one thing to kind of keep in mind. We are above the 13 EMA, trading above the 13 EMA, but the thing you will want to notice here, this red line right here, that is the 48 EMA. And the 48 EMA is a level where bears will show up to short the market. And so that's something that you kind of need to be aware of, that we are in that danger zone. As you are watching this on Tuesday morning, that is something that you will just want to be aware of. And you will want to be in those stocks only that you have the highest conviction in. And for me, that's stocks with insider activity. But whatever your strategy is, I wish you the best on doing that. Now, if you want my insider alerts, different stocks that I find interesting through the day after the Form 4s have been reported, then you will want to be a member of that basic group. I have a link in the description down below. I also have my PDUFA run-ups in there, and some of those have been really fantastic. At the beginning of the year, we did terrible with those, but now they're really turning around. We've had a couple 50% gainers, 40% gainers, so doing much, much better ever since June. All right, so let's start talking about a couple stocks with insider activity and some different things that I have seen. One is Fortress Bio. Fortress Bio had the CEO load shares, and this was reported in a Form 4 early Monday. And so prior to market open, this thing was way down here. I was able to get it, and this has been a nice little move, 15% up. And so a lot of the people in the group who had those alerts saw that, and a lot of people have invested, as you can see by this big green bar right here. And so this is just getting started, in my opinion. I think that this was a very strong insider buy, in that the price has really come way down, and the insider paid 68 cents a share. And so it has already gone up 10 cents from that, but I think it can go a lot further. So I have this line up here. This is an open gap to the upside. I like it to get up to around the $1.15 range. And I like this one to be a nice mover here, although I will exit when my insider swing play strategy says it's time to exit. But I'm liking this over the next few days for a nice move after the CEO has bought shares. And so we have the 200 EMA way up here. So this should be a stock to watch. At least put on your watch list and see if you can make some money on it. I think that this is going to be a really good one. All right, the other one I want to talk about is Milestone Pharmaceuticals. This had 4 directors load shares in open market. That's one of the things that I really like to see, and so I was excited to see that type of move. Now, this is obviously a value buy. This thing was right around $10 a share, and it dumped like crazy. Look at this gigantic red candle. Came way down here in the 470 range. And the insiders were loading anywhere between $4.80 all the way up to $5.10. And so this is, I think, one to watch. You haven't missed anything. I did call this out on Monday morning in our Patreon group, but you really haven't missed anything because the stock price on this just did not move on Monday. So if you're looking at this on Tuesday and this fits what you like, I like that 4 insiders bought on it. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Of course, this thing could continue to tank, but it is unlikely in my experience that that will happen based upon 4 different insiders loading shares, especially at the prices that they were willing to pay. There is massive support, in my opinion, right around $4.80 on this. And so I don't think it's going to drop too much further down, and I am expecting a move upwards very soon on this. So I did mark a quick up right here at $5.99, right at $6. There's a gap up all the way up here at $6, and so that would be a good level if we were to get a quick little bounce out of here. It is oversold position on the RSI, so this is a good value at the moment. It may have fallen too far based upon news, and so I like this for a move up. I hope all of you have a great time on the stock market. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I love to hear from you, and let's all make some killer money. And Raythoven out.